This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Super convenient private cove location. Tastefully elegant renovation which will accommodate traditional, contemporary or eclectic tastes. The attention to quality materials and design details is obvious. The spacious entry opens to living room, dining room and den. The den leads to screen porch, west/fireplace and outdoor kitchen. Large new to the studs chef's kitchen has fine cabinets, gorgeous counters, and quality appliances. Plus dedicated home office/sitting room, laundry, mudroom and attached garage. Luxurious downstairs primary bedroom west/vaulted ceiling, new bath and dressing. 4 BRs up, 1 used as playroom/den. 1 bedroom west/ensuite bath and sitting room can be upstairs primary. Gleaming hardwoods and ample daylight through new Pella windows make this home a standout. For more